The BRICS Grain Exchange is about to disrupt the global food trade. Forget what you know about food markets. BRICS is rewriting the rules and your grocery bill is about to change. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's funny, back in March we talked about this revolutionary idea of a BRICS agricultural exchange. Well, guess what? Things are moving fast and it's getting more concrete than ever. Not only in March, but also in February we made another video about these issues and the European farmers' protests. If you missed them, no worries. They are packed with useful info that will help you understand today's update. You can find the links at the end of this video, so don't forget to check them out. So, did you know that the BRICS countries produce nearly half of the world's grain, and now they're changing the way it's traded? We are talking about a market that could affect 44% of the world's grain production. That's huge. But here is the kicker. In just 1 year, Russian agricultural exports reached $43.5 billion. And that's before this major trade deal. Imagine what's coming next. So, buckle up, folks. We are about to explore the 7 surprising benefits of the BRICS Grain Exchange and see how it's going to change the global food trade. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But first, what exactly are these 7 benefits? This platform, new grain exchange, lets member countries trade in their currencies, cutting out the need for Western financial systems and boosting their economic independence. The Russian Grain Experts Union, led by Eduard Zernin, came up with this idea in March 2024, and it quickly got the thumbs up from all BRICS nations. The goal? Smooth transactions and easy settlements, which are often blocked by anti-Russian sanctions, especially those involving the US dollar. Experts say this move is similar to what OPEC did for the oil industry, allowing BRICS countries to trade on their terms. The proposal was officially presented to Russian President Vladimir Putin on July 1, 2024, by the Russian government and the Bank of Russia, following a direct instruction from the president on April 18, 2024. It is seen as a smart strategy to keep agricultural trade flowing smoothly despite Western sanctions. This exchange is set to make trading among BRICS nations easier, cutting down the reliance on the US dollar and ensuring a more stable trading environment. Critics in the collective West are trying to alarm people by saying that a structure like OPEC might control food prices just like OPEC does with oil. But here is the thing. OPEC can change oil prices by adjusting production levels, while the BRICS Grain Exchange can't do that with crops. Crop production depends on seasons and harvest yields, plus prices are influenced by other external factors we'll get into shortly. So, the comparison doesn't really hold up. Speaking on sanctions, we just got some news from European Union that adds another layer of absurdity to the current tragedies. We'll save the details for the end, but we can already tell you it's going to be hilarious for those outside Europe and pretty grim for those living there. The BRICS Grain Exchange is set to cut down on transaction costs and minimize the risks tied to trading in US dollars, especially given the impact of Western sanctions. How does this grain exchange work differently from existing ones? By trading in their national currencies, BRICS countries can sidestep currency conversion fees and dodge exchange rate fluctuations. This translates to cheaper food for consumers and steadier revenues for producers. Can you imagine the potential of this structure when the BRICS-Bridge, the new payment system, will be available? You get it, right? But how will the BRICS Grain Exchange affect food prices in your country? This cost-saving measure is particularly beneficial for Russia and Brazil, 2 of the major food suppliers in the BRICS group. By avoiding the higher fees and complications that come with trading in US dollars, these countries can operate more efficiently. Plus, bypassing the US dollar helps them steer clear of the financial risks and pressures that come from Western sanctions and economic policies. The BRICS Grain Exchange will help secure food supplies and stabilize prices among its member countries. In a world where the global market can be pretty unpredictable, having a stable and transparent platform for trading essential food items like wheat, rice, and corn is a game changer. Russia and Brazil, being major suppliers along with big importers like China and Egypt, will benefit significantly from this system. The goal here is to create a balanced and self sufficient food security system within the BRICS bloc. With the expansion of BRICS to include new countries, grain production is projected to reach 1.25 billion tons in 2024, nearly 44% of global production. By relying less on Western markets, which can be volatile and politically driven, BRICS countries can ensure more consistent and secure supply chains. This means steadier food prices and better availability for essential agricultural products, which is a big win for internal food security. Next up, BRICS countries are set to score big in the global food market. By sidestepping Western sanctions and overcoming logistical obstacles, they will boost their competitiveness, especially for heavyweights like Russia and Brazil. This new exchange means these countries can offer their agricultural products at better prices and with greater reliability, which could help them sink a bigger slice of the market. Take Russia, for example. In 2023, their agricultural exports hit $43.5 billion. With fewer trade barriers, that number could skyrocket. Despite settlement difficulties, Russian grain export rates remain high, with 47 million tons already shipped this season, including 36 million tons of wheat. Trading without the hassle of Western sanctions will make BRICS nations more appealing to global buyers. All in all, this strategic move could open up more export opportunities and drive economic growth for the BRICS bloc. But will small farmers benefit from this exchange or just big corporations? Well, let's talk about internal price regulation. Right now, most exchange indexes are set in the US or Europe, and they can sometimes be manipulated against Russia, affecting pricing and ultimately impacting consumers. With the BRICS Grain Exchange, member countries can set their own prices. This means fairer pricing for everyone involved, from producers to consumers. It's a big deal because it helps keep domestic markets stable and shields them from outside economic pressures. By basing prices on BRICS' own economic conditions, the exchange ensures stability and fairness, benefiting local economies and consumers alike. Welcoming new member countries and even allowing non-BRICS nations to join can really boost BRICS' clout in global agricultural trade. As Leonid Holod, economist and former Russian Deputy Minister of Agriculture and Food, noted, an open BRICS exchange allowing broad market participation with lower costs could attract others dissatisfied with conditions on other exchanges. This inclusive approach not only attracts more participants, but also solidifies BRICS' status as a major player in the food trade market. By opening the doors to a wider range of countries, BRICS can significantly increase its influence and market share, making the exchange more appealing and effective for everyone involved. Finally, the BRICS Grain Exchange is all set to become a modern, high-tech digital marketplace. As Eduard Zernin explained, it should be a platform where buyers can directly purchase standard grain lots from producers and exporters, ensuring transparent and secure transactions. This digital hub will support real-time trading and provide the latest market data, plus various payment options, including national currencies. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, the exchange aims to streamline the entire trading process, making it more efficient and accessible for everyone involved. The Grain Exporters Union expects the organizational issues for the BRICS Grain Exchange to be resolved by October 2024, before the BRICS Summit in Kazan. This not only boosts efficiency, but also builds trust by ensuring every transaction is transparent and fair, promoting a reliable trading environment. How soon will we start seeing the effects of this new grain exchange? If everything goes as planned, they say the BRICS Grain Exchange should be up and running in about 2 years. This will set the stage for launching similar exchanges for other commodities too. To recap, the BRICS Grain Exchange is poised to bring numerous benefits, from reducing trade costs and enhancing food security to expanding BRICS' influence in the global market. This initiative could reshape the landscape of global food trade, making it more equitable and efficient. As we look forward to the BRICS Summit in Kazan, where further details will be unveiled, it's clear that this is a development worth watching closely. As promised, here is the story of the European Union's latest move. Starting from July the 1st, they have imposed heavy tariffs on Russian and Belarusian wheat imports. Food shouldn't be sanctioned, but they have found another way to punish Russia. Because they are punishing Russia, right? We don't know about you, but we suspect these tariffs will just drive up the cost of wheat. And guess who will end up paying the price? Yes, European citizens. Pure genius, right? Well, let's circle back to the future of the BRICS Grain Exchange. What challenges and successes do you see ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and share the video to support our channel and the BRICS community. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay informed and curious. Thanks for watching.